In this video, we'll be showing you how we make a chocolate milkshake. First off, we're going to gather the stuff we need. We've got our blender, our ice cream, and some milk. First thing we're going to do is go ahead and add our chocolate ice cream into the blender. Now, however much you add really just depends on personal preference and how much you would like to get in there. We're going to do about 3.5 scoops here. Next thing we're going to be doing is adding in our milk. Now, you want to keep in mind that when you're doing this, you don't want to pour in too much milk, as that can make it taste kind of watery and it can remove some of that chocolate flavor. So it's better to start with a little bit and then add more later on. And now we're ready to throw it on the blender. After running the blender for a few seconds, we decided to stop it because we realized we're going to need to add some more milk in here. So taking a look inside, you can see that it's very, very thick in its consistency, and we want it to be a little bit more liquidy before we start to drink it. So we'll just add a splash of milk in there and get it back on the blender. Also, if you're wanting your milkshake to have an even richer chocolate taste and flavor, then I'd recommend adding just a little bit of cocoa powder into that mixture. Okay, and looks like that our milkshake is just about done here. We'll take it off the blender and check the consistency. Upon opening the lid, we see that is exactly what we were looking for. That little bit of milk actually helped a ton, and now we're just going to pour it into a nice glass to finish it off. And that is how you make a chocolate milkshake. If you found this video helpful, it'd mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.